Now, if you find yourself continually starting with the same base shape, say a circle or a square, it might be a good time to stop and reflect and try to switch things up a little bit. And say start with a triangle, for example. So that's what I'm going to do here. I'll come out to the center there and hit S for symmetric. And I'll create a line 100. And I'll put a triangle down here. I'm going to come back up here to my constraint, horizontal, vertical. Make these two lines equal. And I'd like to put a tangent circle in here. I'll just drop the circle in, then I'll make it tangent. So if I move it around, it'll stay tangent. And I'll come and add a couple of circles back to the center here. Now let's put a couple of dimensions on this. Maybe I'd like this peak here to be a little sharper, and so I can control that via this circle here. See if I wind this in or out, how that'll change that, vary that. So if this was a necklace, maybe I'd like it a little deeper, say 75. So let's look at that from the sketch view. Now let's trim out a couple of areas I don't want here. I don't want that, and I don't want that. Now I'll come up to the offset button, and I'll offset this circle to the inside at a distance of 5. I'll come down to this arc here, and I'll offset that down. I'm going to do a lot of those. Just push that down right towards that peak there. And then I'd like to come back to the triangle and also offset that 5. Now I'll come up to the extrude button, and I'll come up to chain and grab that outside triangle. And I'll just push that back, say 5. Come back to the select command, and I'll come and start selecting these regions. And I'll zoom in here and just pick every second one there. I missed that one, just let's grab that one too. And push those through. Turn off all my sketches and dimensions. Fit the view. I might come up to round, and I'll just say all fillets. Let's grab those inside edges. Let's just put in a small round, say 1.5. Now another thing I'd like to do, if this was a necklace, I'd sure want to round these sharp edges. Probably hurt yourself with that. And let's make that a little bigger, say 5. And I'd like some way to fasten a chain to this. So I'll just lock here, put a circle in here, say single, push that back 5, and I'll put another circle on there.